To open a PNC Virtual Wallet with a debit card in 2025, you need to follow a series of straightforward steps. First, ensure you have a computer or mobile device with internet access and a valid government-issued ID. Start by going to the PNC Bank website and clicking on the Open an Account button. Select Virtual Wallet from the options and choose the type of account you want to open. You will then be asked to provide personal and identification information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, fund your new account by transferring money from an existing account or by using a debit card. You will need to provide the debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of the account before submitting your application. Once your account is open, you will receive a debit card in the mail within a few days. Activate the card by calling the phone number provided or by using the PNC Bank mobile app. You can then use your debit card to access your virtual wallet account, make purchases, and manage your finances. To get the most out of your virtual wallet, take advantage of the online banking and mobile app features. You can track your spending, set budgeting goals, and receive alerts and notifications to help you stay on top of your finances. It is also important to practice good security habits, such as monitoring your account activity regularly and reporting any suspicious transactions to PNC Bank immediately. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and tools provided by PNC Bank, you can successfully open and manage a virtual wallet with a debit card in 2025. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your account and to practice good security habits to protect your financial information.